You ready? You need help? Oh, you got it.
It's still doing. Oh.
What happened? What's wrong? It's dirty?
Now I got it more dirty.
You got it even dirtier? Oh no!
Look how muddy my shoes are.
Oh, whoa!
Where's my other one?
Let me see. Man, you're filthy. I like it. Here, you want to put these on? You good? You can't see? Okay. You good? Okay. Oh, you ready? Hold on, okay?
I didn't think that was good.
What's that?
I don't think that was good.
You didn't like that? No. Watch this one right here. What's that? Oh, I don't know. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! This is beautiful out here, right?
That dance floor needs some of me on you. Reason I sneeze whiskey, boys like me.
Too easy.
Fish wants to flip too easy.
Yeah.
Did we take her back? Sure.
No, I'm just sitting sideways.
You good? You want to come through already? You want to go through? Oh, okay. He didn't even get stuck. Here, sit back here real quick, cause I need all the control right now. Then we'll put you back up after we get past here, okay? Huh? Okay. Well, 1 second. Okay, hold on. Let me go through here, then we can switch off again. All right. You want to get back in the front? Okay. Oh, sorry about that. Let me shift up real quick. Okay. I got to do this one because it's got the throttle. You can do this one, okay?
I didn't get a water balloon. What?
Like this. Giving it some gas.
There it is. There it is.
Is this the deep one?
Hold on, hey, he's coming back through. Hold on. Hey, Dylan, I think this is the deep one, somewhere over that way.
I don't know how deep it was. You might want Chris to go by first. The carbo went on this side. Here they go, watch them, you ready? That's awesome. Try it? No? Not enough grip. You got me? You got me? I didn't even make it into the hole. That was anticlimactic. We're gonna make it. Look at that. Freaking perfect. You ready? Let me get in here. Good to go. Thank you, sir. Shoot! I freaking just bottomed out immediately. Thank you, sir. No, you just do that, and then sometimes you just got to give it a little bit of persuasion. That rope swells up a little bit in there.
I got you. Hey, you might as well keep that out. I think he's gonna try it.
Is he gonna try it out? Okay. Let me just get out of the way. Like, watch. Oh no, Dylan's gonna do it now. Woo! There we go. Damn. There it is. Chris, are you gonna do it? Chris, you going to or no? Damn. I didn't have the ground clearance for that one. I didn't have the ground clearance for that one. Man, there we go. What's that? Damn. Oh. I'll see y'all later. That's what I'm talking about, brother. Hell yeah. That was nice.